Hello guys, Aspen here, Drone in Nature. I'm out hiking today. Did get a nice little flight with my Mini 2. It's still kind of windy in Norway, but the weather is absolutely amazing. It's 18 degrees, a little bit chilly in the wind, but the weather is perfect. This is a nice view you can see here. This is Hatlevik, the place where I'm living. It's really beautiful. It's a nice little, not a city, but a place just outside of Bergen. It's about 1,500 people living here. This is an island, so it's everybody is living pretty close to the sea, so it's absolutely beautiful. So I did get a nice flight today with my Mini 2. The drone is excellent. It's so fun to fly. Still hoping for some kind of log profile or flat color profile on the Mini 2, but I don't think that will happen. Maybe with the Mini 3. Yeah, I'm not gonna upgrade my Mini 2. I think maybe when the Mini 3 arrives. I don't gonna buy the Air 2S and the Air 2. I'm gonna wait for the new and upcoming Mini 3. I'm pretty sure it's coming because of all the competition now. So, and hopefully we get some kind of flat color profile and a little bit bigger sensor and maybe some kind of obstacle avoidance on that small drone. We have to wait to see, but yeah, I'm gonna keep my Mini 2. I love it. So easy to carry with me when I'm hiking. I always hike, that's my main hobby, just playing around in the woods and taking some photos and yeah, just filming a little bit. That's my other hobby beside flying drones. I really love to hike and still learning the craft of photography. That's my I really want to learn that, but I don't have any expensive gear for that, so I just have to use whatever I have and just learn it, and maybe I can upgrade in a couple of years. If I get a bunch of new subscribers this year, maybe I can upgrade before that, but yeah. I'm hoping for that, but it seems to be pretty difficult to hit the algorithm and get the subscribers. It's a lot of competition out there and a lot of great content creators, but of course I really hope you enjoy my content and will subscribe to it. So I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.